So now we're on 7 through 13. Let's see if I can do a little better than 50%. The immune system develops antibodies in response to weakened viruses. That's a vaccine. The weakened viruses attach to unaffected viruses. Viruses do not attach to viruses. The rate of genetic mutation in the host is decreased due to the introducing weakened viruses has nothing to do with mutations or change in the DNA. Weakened viruses are unable to enter the host. So when you get a flu shot, what they're doing is the flu shot is giving you weakened viruses or dead viruses that the body can then memorize and recognize, and that's antibodies. So A explains the immune system the best. 8 is going to be a Punnett square. I don't know what the parents are, but typically they like to ask all four, so we'll go with that. Intestinal bacteria obtain nutrients from the gut and produce vitamin K used by humans. That is true. Bacteria become resistant to antibacterial medication that humans use for treatment. That is true. Invasive bacteria at an area of injury produce toxins that damage healthy tissues of the human body. That's true. Bacteria in improperly prepared food is consumed by humans, causing food poisoning. So my guess is they're asking about how bacteria can affect a certain system, and I do not know. This one is digestive because it's talking about the gut and nutrients. This one is talking about natural selection. This one is talking about how bacteria affect the immune system. Affect skin and tissue. This one is talking about food poisoning. I'm going to go with B because it's natural selection, but I don't know. The other ones are about systems, and I know naturally selected is a tested one. 10, making energy, creating bonds to form biomolecules, producing sugars that assist with replication, provide information. This is probably asking about DNA and its importance, which is to provide information to form proteins. They could also use polypeptide. They could also use amino acid chain because all of those are proteins. On this one, I would do Katy Perry came over for grape soda, and species is the last one. They're probably asking for the most specific. That's what they usually do, which is species. Egg cell, liver cell, sperm, egg cell, nerve and brain, sperm and lung. I'm thinking they're asking for gametes or sex cells, but they could be asking for body cells. So if the answer is sex cells, or if they're asking for gametes or sex cells, it would be G. If they're asking for